Yeah, we are here at the sports center, and yeah, I just finished my duty, breakfast again, and I finished at 2 o'clock, and I'm going to have my lunch. Yeah, this mincemeat and rice, the same like I ate last night. It is actually hot, yeah, outside. When I finish my duty, yeah, it's hot outside. That's why I am here again at the sports center. Like what I've said, if you're in the shaded area with the trees, yeah, it's not very hot. That's why I'm here. This is partially covered by the big trees. Here in front of the Tubugan Hill Park, and that's the swimming pool. In case you don't know, the Tubugan Hill Park is yeah, kind of a slide. Yeah, Tubugan, very nice. We did already before with Inigo and Erickson. Yeah, it's one of the tourist area here in Nelson Bay, Salamander Bay area. And at the moment I'm actually exploring my MacBook Pro. Yeah, basically the same like the old MacBook Pro, just added some new features, and of course the speed is much faster than old model. I did not able to show you properly because in my apartment is dark and a little bit messy over there. So yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, look at this. The build quality actually really good. There is this MacBook Pro over there. Yeah, this is actually thicker than the MacBook. I don't know, the 2019. Actually, I don't know. And the 2019 actually has the touch screen here. Yeah, this one nothing. Here outside, not outside but here at the front. Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here at the shopping square. There are few cars in here already, and the time now is 5:39. Yeah, so basically I drive up here coming from yeah, the place where I sleep. And you know, last night until now actually there is a power outage, and yeah, the whole place doesn't have any power. No lights on the street, all the houses, and yeah, every establishment also doesn't have any lights. And that's the McDonald's actually. Yeah, there's no lights, so they are closed for sure. The lights that we are seeing are the lights of the vehicles, but the shopping mall, the street, yeah, even the light post, light pole, there's no light. Yeah, it was actually very weird driving up without lights. Yeah, last night when I was driving going to the place where I'm going to sleep, no lights. Even this morning, no lights. Very weird, very different. What happened basically is a big storm, but quick. Yeah, strong wind, heavy rain, but lasts only for about 30 minutes, and then regular rain. Yeah, that's what happened. And then I checked the Facebook group, local Facebook groups, and yeah, I've seen that some other places also has power outage, and also trees that have broken down and fell off the ground, affecting the, you know, the electrical wires and cables. That's what happened. I drive up here early because I also want to go to the gym. I thought they have a generator or something like that, but yeah, it's also no power. Okay, it is now 7:17, and yeah, normally the shopping center is open by this time, the grocery especially, but I have a doubt. Yeah, it is closed at the moment. Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, for obvious reason, it's because of the blackout. Oh, I realized that even actually the petrol station, yeah, they don't have power. Yeah, usually one of the petrol station over there, they are open 24 hours. But yeah, this morning they also do not have lights, so it means they have no power. There's no any single light inside. You know, this power outage is going to be a chaos. Yeah, people have no place to go, no place to eat, and maybe no place to put gas. Oh, it's not good. Actually, another thing is there is no traffic light. Yeah, that's also one thing I noticed this morning. Yeah, you can see no traffic lights. So people are just giving way. Yeah, so basically the car from here, they are free to go, and the car from that side, they give way. There's no lights inside. Yeah, this morning it is closed also this morning, no power. When I was driving early this morning, the only lights I'm seeing was the reflector. Yeah, this. Yeah, the road reflectors. Oh, it's good. Yeah, this petrol station, their shop is open actually. Oh yeah, it's open. But yeah, cash only. I actually have some cash. Yeah, still in the envelope. Basically those are money from, yeah, tip money from the workplace. Okay, I got this and noodles and banana bread and muffin. It's going to be my breakfast. $10. All this. Yeah, the lady is working really hard over there. She's alone. She's doing everything manually. And also the gas pump is also not working. It is now 9:17 and lots of cars now actually, but yeah, they come and go when they realize that the door is closed. Yeah, the shopping mall is closed today. If the electric power do not come back today, yeah, it's going to be a problem for some people, maybe even for me. Yeah, that's why I'm going to leave this place. Actually, there is also no internet. Yeah, there is also no internet connection here, so I'm going to Newcastle. I am day off today, just today. Tomorrow, just one day off. Tomorrow, back to work. And then, day off again, I think. I have a split day off. And about 30 minutes of driving. Yeah, I am now here in Charlestown. Actually, Williamtown. Yeah, this is the airport area. Newcastle airport area. But you know, this Newcastle airport is actually, yeah, inside the Port Stephens. So this could be a Port Stephens airport. Yeah, 30 minutes drive from, less than 30 minutes drive from Nelson Bay. And lots of cars here actually. All these cars, people, they are disappointed because they just drive back, going out again. Because there is a beautiful lady over there. Yes, she is telling everyone that they are not serving any food at the moment because the power just started. Yeah, came back. So there is a power here now. Yeah, actually already there is a working traffic light just at the corner going to the airport. I said to the lady I'm going to wait here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a coffee. Actually, the noodles, I'm going to eat the instant noodles. Also, I'm going to make a coffee. So make it more, boil more water. Okay, got my food ready. Also coffee. But once McDonald's open, yeah, I'm also going to buy something burger. I'm going to stay here. Yeah, because I believe Most places, most restaurant, they are closed. Grocery, they are closed. Also here, there's no internet. Yeah, oh, 5G, 1 bar. Ugh. Yeah, it's raining again. Heavy rain actually. Yeah, I thought it's a dream. Yeah, because the wind, the water is actually banging on the wall of the vehicle. It is already 12:13. I sleep for 2 hours already. I don't know if there is internet now. Yeah, nothing. Still 1 bar of 4G. No network. There is signal but not connecting. And I noticed that the drive-thru is now open. Oh, this car looks beautiful. Yeah, they are actually very busy here. Yeah, compared to the usual when I come here. Especially the drive-thru, they are busy. I bought a Mac Smart Meal. So basically, 2 pieces of burger, 1 chicken and 1 beef. And French fries and sparkling water. Yeah, just $6.50. I ran because there's rain. And some machine, they are not working. You know, the touchscreen machine. I did 3 attempt and it works on my 4th attempt. I stay on the cashier, but yeah, all of them are busy. No one is coming to assist me. Yo, it is already 6:50. 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. Yeah, I'm back here in Nelson Bay. In Salamander Bay actually, to be specific. And yeah, the shopping mall is still closed. McDonald's also is still closed. And everything is still closed. Even the gym that I am supposed to go to because I want to take a shower, but yeah, it's still closed. And actually the traffic light over at the back of the Aldi still not working. There's no lights still. I'm going to Nelson Bay. I'll check how it is in there. It's raining still at the moment. There's electric power in McDonald's, Williamtown. Maybe generator, I'm not sure. Oh, we are here in Nelson Bay. It's a little windy, a little rain. Yeah, and yeah, the Woolworths is actually open here. Also the petrol station over there, the Shell, they are open. But all the restaurants and shop closed. And look at this. All this cooler, fridge, and freezer, they are empty. Yeah, usually here are the ready-to-eat meals. But that is actually the reason why I come here to buy those microwavable food. But nothing. Even this, yeah, it's empty. I would say they might have a lot of wasted frozen, yeah, chilled food. Not good. Even here, all the vegetable, it's gone. This one, yeah, empty. And I'm going to get one of these. This tuna, this $3.50. And I'm also getting one jasmine rice. And I'm also getting this is sparkling water. Yeah, that Shell petrol station is actually open. But over the other side, at the Porsche Drive, yeah, the road is closed. That's why all these cars is coming through this way. Yeah, I'm going to cook this in the bun. Yo, good day everyone. We are here at the shopping center. Yeah, and it's back to normal now. Yeah, actually in the workplace, we work normal. Yeah, the power is back. So as here also, power is back. Yeah, I can see the traffic lights, it's on. The McDonald's is on. And Aldi is open. Yeah, a lots of cars here in the parking of a shopping square. So the whole day yesterday, the shopping center is closed. I don't know why they don't have a generator. Like in our workplace. Yeah, chef said that they worked yesterday using the, what's that? The lamp. You have to hit the bain-marie instead of the automatic heater. Yeah, but we have generator in the hotel, so yeah, they work almost normal. Yeah, and today, this morning, when I went to work, yeah, I work normal. Yeah, so that power outage really give big problem to most establishment around the area. Even this morning when I come to work, no internet. Now there is, but very slow. I'm actually uploading a video at the moment. Everything these days are relying on the electricity. And at the moment there is still a storm. Very strong wind. Yeah, with rain also. In the Philippines, this is the usual event. Yeah, usual occurrence. Yeah, that yeah, typhoon with rain and strong wind together. Very bad. Especially we have a lot of trees. Yeah, it's that's that kind of sound.
Вообще, да? Это что-то невероятное.